Hello everyone, today we will talk about SLIMCRYSTAL. Crystal water bottles, the perfect solution for those who want to support their weight loss journey. SLIMCRYSTAL is a high-quality crystal water bottle designed to help you stay hydrated while losing weight. What makes this water bottle special is its innovative design and the health benefits it offers. First, SLIMCRYSTAL's sleek and modern design is not only visually appealing, but also easy to hold and use. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it ideal for travel or at home. In addition, the crystal finish adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, making it a great accessory for any occasion. Now let's talk about the health benefits of drinking SLIMCRYSTAL water. Crystal water is naturally filtered and contains no impurities, which means it is an excellent source of hydration. Drinking this water will leave you feeling more energized and better equipped to handle the demands of your weight loss routine. In addition, SLIMCRYSTAL water has been shown to help regulate body temperature, which is essential for weight loss. The natural cooling properties of crystal water can help lower your body temperature, making you feel cooler on a hot day and preventing you from overeating. Finally, the presence of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium in crystal water bottles can help support proper muscle function and improve digestion and overall health. In conclusion, the SLIMCRYSTAL crystal water bottles are an exceptional tool for those who want to support their weight loss journey. Its modern design, elegant finish, and health benefits make it the perfect addition to any bathroom countertop. So the next time you're looking for a stylish and efficient way to stay hydrated, be sure to pick up the SLIMCRYSTAL water bottle. Cheers to a healthier and happier you!